स्टार्ट कर दे।
So welcome everyone. So let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Samarth and I am the Scrum Master. Samanyu Sharma here is the product owner and Priyanshu Thakur is the developer for the product that we are designing. Samanyu, can you please tell what product are we designing?
Yeah, so we would be making the uh, Deacon app where we would have included all the uh, various functionalities such as student performance overview and all the features we need for a proper functioning website for students. We would also have features such as the news board and events page for the faculty to communicate well with the students, and basically uh, a platform for the education and overall academic experience for the students. So I would go through the user stories now. So we have two main user stories. The first one is of the student, and we took a student's viewpoint, and the basic functionalities that we require from that are that we need a portal to view academic records, attendance history, performance metrics, which includes the grades and feedback from tutors, and also the option to download course materials for self-study and to check assignment deadlines and keep up with the pending tasks. Then our second user story would be of the faculty member, which should have control over the grading system, should have access to all the students' assignments, and should be able to post news events and arrange one-on-one sessions with students to keep a check on their progress. In short, this is our users. These are our user stories, and this is what we need to develop. This has been categorized into two main tasks, which would be the student performance overview and faculty access controls. So, in the first sprint, we would be targeting student performance overview. So, I would like the development member to add on to the student performance overview tab and explain some of the subtasks they have added to ensure this is created.
Yes, Priyanshu.
So
Priyanshu, can you
as a
hear us?
developmental,
Yes, yes.
yes, I can hear. As the development member in our team, my primarily responsibility is implementing and developing the assigned features in sprint one. So our sprint one is focused on building a student performance management system, which includes various functionalities such as authentication, academic history tracking, performance metrics, and etc. Important features. Our Trello board is structured into four main sections. One is product backlog, which contains the features that need to be implemented, and sprint backlog contains the features selected for the current topic, and in progress task features which are currently um, in development, and completed tasks which we have been successfully developed and achieved. So my role as a development member is to implement core features. For example, implementing the student performance overview features from the sprint backlog, ensuring the login sign up system works correctly with Firebase authentication, developing the student progress report module to fetch and display academic data, and other important features. So, so the code implementation and testing is also done by me to write the efficient code and conduct the unit test for all the features, and collaborating with other team members, product owner, and Scrum Master to ensure the smooth workflow of our system. Moving moving tasks from sprint backlog to in progress as I work on them, updating the status of each task and adding necessary comments when the features are developed are all done by me.
Okay,
So
Priyanchu.
that's
So
Okay.
can you open the card one by one from the starting, and we can
Yeah,
see
please explain
if
the cards and
if
let
we
us.
have you have added all the necessary changes that through the comments that I added.
yes. So this is the first feature we uh, implemented all using the Firebase, and it also adds the registration with email and also the feature of the forgot password. And you also said that the features is working fine.
So did you
So
check that the Google login was working fine in this?
yes, that was working fine.
Okay, good.
So next is the view academic history, which allows the users to view their academic history and fetch the records from the database. And you also said the grades are visible for these units.
And please also
Okay.
tell how the Scrum Master and development member ensured proper communication and how the Scrum Master helped, communicate my points to the development member.
Yes, so the basic communication, first I'll tell about the meetings. The meetings, all of them were hosted on Google Meet, and on the Meet, we were able to effectively discuss the requirements and the changes that we need to do in our project in the Trello board. So I wrote all the comments under the cards, and with the help of the development team member and product owner as well, we were able to execute these tasks.
And can you also show the meetings list?
Yes,
I think
Priyanshu has the access to the presentation. Please show us
this
the
is
meetings.
these are the meeting list. Then
And how many meetings are there in total? I think there are about 12, right?
yes, there are 12 meetings.
So the meetings have been recorded and kept track of. There is proper communication between the whole team, and as it is evident, the Scrum Master has given key points and key instructions to the development member through the use of comments on uh, on the Trello board. So can
Yes,
we
and
take a look at a few more cards?
yes. I hope that our first
Yes, these
sprint
are
is
the
done.
yes, our first
Uh,
sprint is
Yes.
done.
Okay.
All the tasks in first sprint is done.
so can we talk about the issues that we faced during this process? What do each one of us feel about uh, any problem we faced during this process? We can start with you, Samat.
Yes. As Pranchi was showing the previous card, there in the assignment deadline calendar. Earlier, what it was that it was written after 12 a.m. The assignment should not be accepted by the web system. But there was a bug that students were able to upload the task even after the deadline. So I ensured and told Priyanshu, the development member, that this should not be able to execute. The student should not be able to submit after the deadline. So I hope that we have covered this
Okay.
up.
And were there any communication gaps or any other issues you faced aside from the development process?
No, I don't think so there were any other issues that we faced.
What about you, Priyanshu?
No, I also didn't face any issues. As the Scrum Master said, uh, he told me to implement what is necessary features, and I implemented those with the help of him.
I think it's the same for me. I did not face many issues as well. The Scrum Master did a good job of making sure the key points were communicated to the development team member and that the workflow was smooth and everything was how it should be.